Hello guys, today you can see today I am in a forest. There are so many polas trees, and I think you can notice one thing, there are so many grasses, green grasses. It looks very amazing and beautiful. So let's share something. If you have any traveling memories, you can comment. This is how I will be able to know how much experience do you have in your life of traveling. You can see, if you visit any forest, that time you will feel very interesting moment in your life. We are part of this nature, so we can't live without nature. For any type of refreshment, it is necessary. So we have to live with nature. Without nature, we are not fulfilled. That's why love nature, and whenever you will be free, that time you should visit. In my life, I love nature because of I am part of this nature. In my home, when I get frustrated, that time I think that I need a relaxation. That time I first think I should go somewhere where I will get my friend who is my part of my life. So that is nature. Let's come with me and watch all these things. Just just think how much this color. It looks like very green and fresh and refreshed. So in morning time you will see there are so many cows come here, and they were grazing in morning time. Now it has been free. Now you can, it is, you know, afternoon time, so that's why I have come at this time. So that's all of these things. Just look and imagine. This is not a very deep forest. It is like a small part of forest. There are no any wild animal. You can see there are some, you know, there are some fox, jackals, something, and you know, there are so many birds, herons, and that's all of these things are present in this forest. Sometimes you will listen, there are some unknown creature birds, but no need to worry about these things. They are not big creature. They will not harm anything. Just enjoy this forest winds and this forest, what can I say, this forest lovely weather. I think you must be very uh, helpful by visiting in this palace, and of course it might be great enjoyable moment in your life, and whenever you will come in this forest, just record this video. I hope you will love it. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you will come in this forest, and like me, you will record your video and you will post. Thank you. Just watch. And this is the scenery of Bengal, and there is a small dead trees. I think it has been there are so many bushes, that's why it has been covered by all these, what can I say, all these bushes. You will not be able to see these dead trees. It is a small trees, there are so many dead trees, but that is, look over there, there are so many dead big trees, but it is wild dead trees. It's very small. Okay, so just come with me and just watch around everywhere. That's all I would have showed you, so just enjoy.